Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. A simple guide to replacing your vacuum brake booster check valve. Vacuum brake booster check valve replacement is a vital maintenance task for ensuring the proper functioning of your vehicle's braking system. If you're experiencing reduced brake performance or unusual hissing noises when applying the brakes, a faulty check valve could be the culprit. This video will guide you step by step on how to identify, inspect, and replace the check valve in your vacuum brake booster. By following this DIY tutorial, you can save time and money by tackling this repair yourself. Understanding the role of the check valve and maintaining vacuum pressure within the brake booster is crucial for maintaining optimal braking performance. Stay tuned to learn the essential tips and tricks for a successful vacuum brake booster check valve replacement. Understanding the vacuum brake booster check valve. When it comes to the braking system of your vehicle, the vacuum brake booster check valve plays a crucial role in ensuring optimal performance. Understanding the function of this component and recognizing signs of a faulty check valve is essential for maintaining road safety. Function of the check valve. The vacuum brake booster check valve is responsible for maintaining proper vacuum pressure within the brake booster. This ensures that when you press the brake pedal, the necessary force is transmitted to the master cylinder to engage the brakes effectively. Essentially, the check valve acts as a gateway that allows the vacuum to flow in one direction while preventing it from escaping in the opposite direction. Signs of a faulty check valve. Brake pedal sinking to the floor. One of the most common symptoms of a faulty vacuum brake booster check valve is a brake pedal that sinks to the floor when you apply pressure. This indicates a potential loss of vacuum pressure, compromising the efficiency of your brakes. Hissing noises. If you hear hissing noises coming from the brake pedal area when you press the brakes, it could be a sign of a leak in the vacuum system caused by a malfunctioning check valve. This leakage can lead to a decrease in braking power. Difficulty applying brakes. A faulty check valve can result in difficulty when trying to apply the brakes. You may notice that the brakes feel spongy, require more force to engage, or have a delayed response. These issues can pose serious safety hazards and should be addressed promptly. By being aware of these signs, you can take proactive measures to address any potential issues with the vacuum brake booster check valve before they escalate and affect the overall performance of your vehicle's braking system. Importance of replacing a faulty check valve. Any vehicle's braking system is a critical component when it comes to safety on the road. One vital part of this system is the vacuum brake booster check valve. Understanding the significance of replacing a faulty check valve is crucial for maintaining optimal brake performance and ensuring your safety behind the wheel. Safety risks associated with a malfunctioning check valve. When a check valve in the vacuum brake booster system malfunctions, it can lead to severe safety risks. Brake failure or loss of braking power can occur, jeopardizing your ability to stop the vehicle efficiently. Imagine driving down a steep hill and suddenly realizing your brakes are not responding as they should. The consequences could be catastrophic. A malfunctioning check valve puts you and others on the road in danger by compromising your vehicle's braking capabilities. Impact on brake performance. A failing check valve directly affects the efficiency of the brake booster system. The check valve is responsible for maintaining the vacuum pressure needed for power-assisted braking. If the valve is faulty, it can result in a loss of vacuum pressure, leading to decreased brake assistance. This means you may need to apply more force on the brake pedal to stop the vehicle, resulting in poor brake responsiveness and longer stopping distances. The impact on brake performance due to a faulty check valve can be not only frustrating but also dangerous in emergencies. Ensuring the proper functioning of the vacuum brake booster check valve is essential for your safety and the safety of those sharing the road with you. Regular maintenance checks and timely replacement of a faulty check valve can prevent accidents and maintain the efficiency of your vehicle's braking system. D steps for vacuum brake booster check valve replacement. Successfully replacing the vacuum brake booster check valve requires a systematic approach. Let's delve into the step-by-step process for a DIY replacement. Gathering necessary tools and parts. Tools. Gather essential tools such as pliers, wrenches, and most importantly, the replacement check valve. Locating the check valve. Engine compartment. Begin by locating the check valve in the engine compartment. It is typically connected to the brake booster and the vacuum hose. Removing the old check valve. Safety first. Prioritize safety by ensuring the engine is cool before starting. Use caution to avoid damaging surrounding components. Detach procedure. Carefully detach the old check valve by loosening the clamps and disconnecting the vacuum lines. Take note of the orientation for the new installation. Installing the new check valve. Positioning. Align the replacement valve correctly with the vacuum lines. Tighten the clamps securely to prevent any leaks that may affect brake performance. Secure fit. Ensure a snug fit for the new check valve to maintain proper brake booster function. Testing the brake system. Verification. After installation, test the brake system by pressing the brake pedal to confirm proper engagement and response. Check for any leaks or unusual noises that may indicate issues with the new check valve. By following these DIY steps, you can effectively replace the vacuum brake booster check valve and maintain the optimal performance of your braking system. When to seek professional help. It's crucial to know when to hand over the reins to a professional for your vacuum brake booster check valve replacement. Here's a breakdown of the complexities and warning signs that should prompt you to seek expert assistance. Complexities of the replacement process. The replacement of a vacuum brake booster check valve may seem straightforward at first glance, but several complexities can arise during the process that necessitate professional intervention. Specialized tools. Some valve replacements require specialized tools that only trained mechanics possess, ensuring proper installation and function. System calibration. Adjusting the vacuum brake booster system post-replacement is a meticulous process that demands precision and expertise to guarantee optimal performance. Risk of incorrect installation. Incorrectly installing the check valve can result in brake system malfunctions, compromising your vehicle's safety on the road. When faced with these complexities, or if you're uncertain about the replacement procedure, seeking professional help is the best course of action to ensure the job is done accurately and safely. Warning signs that require mechanic attention. Certain warning signs can indicate underlying issues with your vacuum brake booster check valve, signaling the need for a mechanic's inspection. Soft brake pedal. If your brake pedal feels soft or spongy, it could indicate a failing check valve that requires expert diagnosis and replacement. Brake fluid leaks. Visible brake fluid leaks around the brake booster area signify a potential problem that needs immediate attention from a skilled technician. Strange noises or odors. Unusual noises or odors while applying the brakes could point to internal check valve issues that should be addressed by a professional to prevent further damage. When these warning signs manifest, don't hesitate to consult a mechanic promptly to diagnose and resolve any potential issues with your vacuum brake booster check valve system. Finally, replacing the vacuum brake booster check valve is a straightforward task that can greatly improve the performance of your vehicle's braking system. By following the simple steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure that your brakes are operating at their best, providing you with the safety and peace of mind you need on the road. Don't hesitate to tackle this maintenance task yourself, as it can save you time and money in the long run. Remember, a well-maintained brake system is essential for safe and efficient driving. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your tools, and get ready to tackle this DIY project like a pro. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.